Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Verify your account, enable 2FA, and unlock trading in settings so the system recognizes you. Once done, open the Trade Hub from the main menu and pick a trade mode, direct for player-to-player swaps or market for listings. Make sure to inspect your inventory for bound items and any active cooldowns, because attempts to trade restricted items will fail. This saves time and prevents rollback when you initiate the first exchange. Once trading begins, invite the counterparty or post a market listing with clear price and duration so offers route correctly. You then attach the items and set quantities, adding currency or enabling escrow if the update supports it to protect both sides. After that, use the preview function to verify item stats, enchantments, and fees. Confirm fees show correctly to avoid disputes. Finally, observe the trade timer and chat to clarify ambiguous items before you hit confirm to finalize. To finish, press confirm and wait for the completion notification. Then immediately verify the received items and currency in your inventory so discrepancies are caught early. If something is missing or different, open the dispute window within the allowed time frame and attach screenshots and trade ID to speed resolution. If the trade stalls, relog and clear cache. If problems persist, retry using escrow or request admin assistance. This sequence closes the loop and reduces risk on future trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.